So now that we're getting towards the end of when our rhododendron plants are finished blooming, one thing we want to go to is kind of deadhead the rhodie. What this does, you can go and just snap this bloom off, and what that will do is it will help the plant kind of rejuvenate and flush its new growth for next year and get ready to set its new buds. The other thing is after it starts to set this new growth, and if you want to control the height of the plant without letting it get bigger, you can also break off this new growth, and what that will do is it will keep the plant this size without it getting any bigger. But this is kind of the time where you want to do that after it's done blooming, because come this summer it's going to start setting its bloom buds for next year.
But if you really want to reduce the size of the rhododendron, you can really go back several feet, like 2 or 3 feet. You'll reduce the space, but you will not have any flowers next year. It won't kill the plant, but you will keep it in bounds for where you have it in your garden. You know, these are just a couple tips to do now with your rhododendrons.